Hello and welcome to this episode of What's on My Mind with Kaleb Paddock. I'm Kaleb Paddock, the founder of 10 Talents Financial Planning. And what's on my mind today is the topic of sudden money. In the financial profession, sudden money typically refers to someone receiving an inheritance. So someone is just living their life and sadly a relative, typically a relative, father, mother, uncle, aunt, passes away, and they leave retirement accounts or taxable accounts. It's typically like stocks, bonds, cash to their relative. And so this is referred to in the financial profession as sudden money. And I would say it can also include your company going public. If you work at a company that's a private company and they go public, that can also be a sudden money situation where you now have a liquid stock instead of illiquid privately held stock. It could also refer to selling a business. Perhaps you've sold a business. Maybe you sold a piece of property. This could be your personal residence or an investment property. So in this concept of sudden money, I would encourage you to think through all of the different ramifications. When someone goes through a sudden money situation, even if they were doing do-it-yourself personal finance work on their own finances, oftentimes sudden money brings up a lot of things all at once. So for instance, it can bring up insurance questions. It can bring up taxation questions. It can bring up investment questions. It can bring up long-term goals or short-term goals. What should we use this for? Should we blow this all in the next year, or should we maybe carve out certain portions for certain goals, and what makes sense? And should we talk to someone about being prudent? You know, this is likely a one-time thing. Your company going public, if you're lucky to have it happen more than once, amazing, but often it only happens once. If you're selling a business, that often happens only once. So be thinking about all of these different ramifications, and as you think about that, realize that this can be a great entry point, even if you've been doing it yourself as a DIY person, to bring in, insurance, tax, financial planner professionals to help you figure out what you should be doing and really help you with the why. What is your why behind what you want to accomplish with this event? So I hope that's something to think about today on the sudden money topic. I thank you for tuning in. It's really great to be seen by you today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. All right, bye now.